Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so today I am going to show you a really natural fall makeup look that I did today using the Soft Glam palette by ABH, and I think this look came out really cute. I actually didn't know I was going to sit down here and record. I just knew I just wanted to record, just, you know, put some content up for the fall months that's coming up. And yeah, I hope you really like it. I actually like the way my hair came out. I changed up my hair. It's just some straight backs for work or whatever. You can see from this highlight, I used the new Sarcophagus whatever highlighter by JeffreeStar, and this is the highlight that I'm actually wearing today. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I do actually read my comments, and I do like try to stay in tune with my YouTube channel. I'm just trying to, you know, be productive. But if you would like to see how I got this look today, just please keep on watching, and you know, yeah, just keep on watching.